So our today's topic is file handling. Okay, so file handling is a very important part for Python because we have to work with files many times inside our code. So for that we will use some of a key, not a keyword, or we can say a keyword or a function which is known as open. Okay, for just creating, updating, deleting, and reading of our files. Okay, so we will going to open a file using command, or not a command, like something like this. F is equals to open. Open is our keyword. Okay, open is our keyword, and in this, like what we can say, quotes, we are going to pass the name of the file. Okay, but make sure that your file is present in the same directory where you are using all of these. Okay, so I have one file known as note.txt, which is saved in my directory here. Okay, so I can open that file. Okay, and now I say print f. Okay, when I run this, what does it say? IO text wrapper name equal to note mode. It has taken mode as R. Okay, so we will be going to read what are modes. Okay, and the encoding is UTF-8. So basically UTF is a text encoding. Okay, so first of all we will see how many type of modes we have. Okay, so we have like 4 type of modes. Okay, so that is R, A, W, and X. Okay, so what R does? R is for reading the file. Okay, like if I am using R mode, then it is for reading the file, and if the file is not present, okay, so it will give the error. Now A stands for append. Okay, so what this append will do, opens a file for appending. Okay, and if the file is not present, so what it will do, it will create a new file, okay, with the name you have provided. Okay, then W stands for write. So what it will do, it will open a file for writing. Okay, and again it will create a file if the file is, like, file does not exist. Okay, now X is for creating the file. Okay, create the specified file and return an error if the file does not exist. If the file exists, okay, if the file exists, then X will throw us the error. Okay, so these are the, what we can say, mode we have for reading and writing of file. Okay, now we have to specify the file type. Okay, so for file type we have like 2 things. One is T. Okay, so T directly default value, which is text, and then we have B, which is something like a binary file. Okay, so we example of any binary file will be something like image file. Okay, image file or some other files other from the text are like will come inside binary. Okay, so here when we are opening a file, so we have to specify a mode in which we are opening. Okay, so we are initially, I can say, we are opening in a writing mode and the file is text file. Okay, so I have this. Again, if I try to print F, if I run it, now you can see it has just changed its mode to RT. So what RT stands, that T for the text file and R is for the reading of the file, like we are reading the file. Okay, now what if I want to read the contents of the file, that whatever is present in my file, if I want to read it, what I'll do, I will just say, like, F is my file, so F dot read, and this, and if I say, so I have something written like hello world inside my file. Okay, so I have this hello world inside it. So it has just printed me hello world. Okay. And suppose if you do not have the file in your like same directory, so you can just pass the path of the file. Okay. So there are some arguments which read function or read method will take. Okay, so you can just give like something like characters. Okay, so if I say I have given it 6 characters, that 6 will represent characters, so it will just read 6 characters for me, which is HELLO. Okay, so it has just read me 6 characters, and if I write 5 here, if I run this, so same output with in the 6th character we will be having our space here. Okay, and if I say I have to read 7 characters, so you can see hello space, the space will also be counted, so space dot on space and word. Okay, if there are many like lines inside my file, so what can I do? I can do something like f dot read lines. Okay, so f dot read lines, so it will read the line, whole line. Okay, so this is our next argument, read lines. We can also use our for loops. Okay, we can also use our for loops here. Like what we can say, how we can use our for loop. So for I in f. Okay, and then we can say something like print I. And if we run the code, can comment it. It is not showing anything. Okay, because it will be loop by line. Okay, it will be looping from line by line, and we have to, I guess, open it in here, read. Okay, then I will run it, so it will doing the same, it will read line by line. Okay, like for looping it will show whole file. Okay, and what we have to do, if we are opening a file, okay, so it is compulsory to close the file also. Okay, so how we are going to do that, f dot close, and this function will close the file for us. Okay, now if I run this, this file will be closed here. And if I try, I just comment out the print function here, and if I try to write print f dot read here and run it, so it will give me the error, the operation on closed file. Okay, because the file is closed here. So I hope this is clear that if once the file is closed, we cannot use the file again for performing the operations. Okay, so this is something like how we can open and read a file. Now if I want to write something in my file, okay, so what I'll do, I will for writing, I know that for writing into a file I can use a method known as append. Okay, so f equal to open, I have my file as note.txt. Okay, and I will be opening it in append mode. Okay, so A stands for append mode, so I will be opening it in append mode. And first of all, we will just read from our file that what file is having. Okay, so we can just see the difference after appending something. Okay, so if I want to write something inside my file, so what I'll do, I will just say f dot write, and I can write anything here, hello to this world. Okay, if I have written this, and then what I have to do, I have to f dot close the file. Okay, so one thing what we cannot do, like we have written something here and we have to read like again. So first of all, we have to close our file to like make changes to the file. Okay, and after that again we have to open it. Okay. Now we will open it in read format, and now I can print f dot read. Okay. Not readable. Okay. Yes. I have closed the file, then I have again opened it. Okay. What I am doing here. Why I cannot? I guess it's making conflict. Not readable. Okay. So first of all, just we will run this. I have opened it in append mode. Okay. I have done whatever things it's having. Okay. So what will happen if I say f dot read here? Okay. If I run it, initially we are not going to close it. Again, it is saying not readable. Oh, I guess this is having some issue. F dot. Okay. So initially we are just appending the file. Okay. We are just appending the file, so we cannot read it. My mistake. So here what we'll do, f dot close. Okay. I guess it will run now. Yes, f dot close. Then again f is equals to open note dot text in now read mode and f dot read. Now if you can see, our first content will be hello world, and after this appending we will be having hello to the world, hello to the world, hello to the world. That is because we are just messing up earlier. So what it has done, it has just write the things inside our file. Okay, the part when we will be having errors. So what I had done, it has just appended each and everything inside the file. Okay, don't worry, if you will going to add it, it will just add by one time. Okay, so I hope it is clear that how we are appending something into a file. Okay, now if I want to delete this file, okay, I am having a file known as node.txt and I want to delete it. So for that, what I will have to do, I have to import a module known as os, basically for operating systems. Okay, and I just have to write a simple code for deleting the file. Like you can go with the like GUI version and open your folder and delete it. And if you want to do it with Python code, so what you have to do, so OS, first of all, we are importing OS. Then we will be having one condition, if OS dot path dot exist exists, and we will just say the name note dot txt. Okay, and then we'll say os dot remove note.txt. Okay, so this will if and else. For this if, the else we will having, we can say print something like file does not. Okay, so see what we are doing here, we are just importing our OS module, which is like by default when you will be going to install Python. So this OS module will come by default. Okay, so what we are doing, we are just importing this OS module, and the condition is checking the path. Okay, so os.path.exist. Okay, so what the output of this? So when we are going to call os.path.exist, and we are going to pass the name of our file, which is note.txt. So if this query returns true, then os.remove and our file will be removed. But if this like returns false, so it will just come to our else part and it will print that does not exist. If I run this, it is run properly, like it have just removed it. And if I run it again, you can see file does not exist, like it has just deleted the file. Okay, now if we try to like again read something, so open what file name note.txt in read format. If I say I will just open it in read format, okay, and if I say print f dot read, and if I run this, it will just give me the error that no such file directory name as note.txt is there. Okay, and what if I have opened it in append mode? Okay, so what we have studied that in the append mode, if the file does not exist, so it will create it. Or we can say we haven't seen write mode. So in write mode, so f dot write hello world again. Okay, we have just write it, and then what we will say f dot close, because we cannot read it here, and we'll say f is equals to open note dot text. Now we will be opening it in read mode, and then we will read it. So if I run this, hello world again, it has just printed hello world again. So what it has done, it has just opened, we have just opened the file note.txt in write mode. Okay, so like previously we have deleted the file, so file does not exist, like file is not there. Now if we are in the writing mode, so if file is not there, so it will create the file. So what it has done, it has created a file hello world again, and we have just appended, or we have just write something to it like hello world again, and we have just closed it. Okay, because we are opening it in write mode, so we cannot read a file. Okay, we can only read a file if we open the file in our read mode. Okay, now okay, so f equal to open node, then again we have just closed the connection with our file. So it is necessary before reading the file we have to close it, because it will just save our changes, and then again we will open it inside a read mode and then read the file again. Okay, so I hope you have understood that how we are going to just append the files. Okay,